everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sindy Akpolo, and if you're just joining, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining the family. You guys are most definitely welcome. Thank you for growing the family. I love you guys so much. You guys inspire me in ways you guys don't understand. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you've not done that already. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. So let us jump right into the tutorial we're here for, or we are here to see. Today's tutorial is going to be a neutral halo. Is it halo or halo? I don't know. Halo eye look. Have I ever done halo? But today's tutorial is going to be an halo eye look. So let's quickly jump into the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. The Milani Fit plus Brighten rose oil. I'm just going to 2 drops. Guys, don't forget to moisturize your face. Moisturizer is very good for the face, like for the skin actually. Moisturizer is very good for the skin, so it helps boost and give your skin that radiant glow. So always moisturize, always. It should be in your routine, whether you're wearing a makeup or not. Next, I'll be applying the primer mist from Elf Cosmetics. This is their primer mist. You can get this primer mist from Paris Purple. And then if you reside in the UK as well, you can also get it from Paris Purple. So I'm going to spray this all over my face. Wasn't expecting that, and let that sit in. For foundation, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in 340. This name is long. Actually, I got this sample foundation sample from Paris Purple again. So you can get it for my Nigerian friends and UK friends. You can get it from Paris Purple Beauty. They're on Instagram, and I think they're in UK. Actually, my shade of this foundation, they don't have it in this sample kit. So for those of us that want to be amongst the Fenty family but can't afford it, you can actually get this and rock your Fenty. Who says you can't rock your Fenty? This is Fenty. Whether you like it or not, it's Fenty. It's bearing the name of Fenty, and it has a kit of Fenty. So I'm just going to dab that into my skin. Wow, it's white. Yeah, I know. Don't call for me, or you can call the police. It matches my neck. What? I'm just going to blend it all the way down, and voila! It has a scent to it, and I love the scent. It has this luxury scent. Just imagine the shade difference. Look at my face and mine. The foundation, 2 different colors or tones or shade. For concealer, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer in medium tan, in medium deep tan. Yeah, my friend dries down. To set my concealer down, I'll be using the Black Opal finishing powder in light. To set the other part, the rest of my face, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit pressed powder in 355 cinnamon. I'm just going to apply this powder on the areas where I didn't apply concealer. I'll be taking this shade from my Zikel 16 in 1 palette to contour. So guys, guys, I went off camera to do my eyes to see what I can achieve, and then we recreate it together. So let's what do you guys think about the eyes, the liner, the glitter? Just let me know. So to prime my eyes, you guys know my all-time favorite. I'll be using the Focallure Full Coverage Concealer in 04 Medium. So for eyeshadow, I'll be going over with my Morphe 39A palette, and I'll be taking this shade. Next, to set my brow bone area, I'll be taking from this big pan. I'll be taking this shade. Moving on, I'll be taking this shade. I feel like I have to be more definition on this outer corner. Moving on, I'm going to dip in and pressing that in the patting motion, just patting it right in. I'll be taking this shade from the big, yeah. To the fun part, I'll be using my Shopsisi Pressed Dual Glitters in Daisy. Don't mind me, it fell off, so I can't really see or tell what this glitter is giving me, like the vibe I'm getting from this glitter. Love is unbelievable. Your love is so amazing. For eyeliner, I'll be using the Zaron gel liner in 01 Jazz 01. Your love is so amazing. Your love is unconditional. Because I am filming this tutorial in the night. At the end of the day, he loves me. I'm going to repeat the same eyeshadow, the step I used on the eye. I'm going to repeat it on my lower lash. Your love is so amazing. Your love is unconditional. You still love me. You still love me. It doesn't matter who don't like me. It doesn't matter who don't like me. This is the part where I applaud Tasha Cobbs. Like this key. This part is really high, very high. Even me within myself that I know I can sing or take any eye. Wow, this eye look is gorgeous, man. Even when I know that I can take high notes, I can take on high notes. Back when I was in the choir, I could sing very loud. I can never go as high as my sister Tasha Cobbs. Like, no, I applaud her. I applaud and respect Tasha Cobbs. Like, who you? What were you saying? You still love me. Oh, oh, say you still love me. I want somebody right here to sing. You still love me. You still love me. Oh, and at the end of the day, at the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves me. Woo! At the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves me. It doesn't matter who don't like me. You still love me. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves me. Even if you still don't care. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves me. I don't mean to be emotional. If I do, I cry. When I think of all the pain I've caused you inside, but you still love me. I don't mean to be emotional. It makes me cry. Nothing of all the bad I've caused you inside, but you still love me. And for mascara, I'll be using the Focallure Volume and Length Mascara. For liner, I'll be using my Glam's Tracy Blue liner. I'll be taking this shade to contour my nose. So for blush, I'll be going back in with the Zikel 16-in-1 palette, and I'll be taking this. Let me take red for a change. I'm taking this red shade. The blush is pigmented, 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 pig. I love my blush, I love my blush, I love my blush. It's taking my powder brush. This one has no product in it, so I'm just going to press that into the skin. And then for highlighter, my all-time favorite, Romantic Bed in Terracotta. So I'll be going in with my Black Opal Splurge eyeshadow, Black Opal Splurge lip, colored lip, this was gifted. So I'll be taking this red shade. Isn't this red lip just the right lip? So guys, here is the finished look. I love creating this look. I loved everything. The eye look is superb. Like even the red lippy, like look at my lip, the gorgeous lip, the gorgeous eyes. Like yes, that's what I'm talking about. The glow. This look is gorgeous. Like I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for inspiring me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you've not done that already, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, in my next one. Like